the Regional Director, who is Regional General Romano Martino, sir. Thank you very much. And of course, ako na Napoli po Director, permitted supervise sa Bacolod City, giving us insights, the person of Attorney Owen Linoda, Sir Dardo. Siyempre, sa ako na upper class ng tactical officer sa Delta Company natin sa class, way back class ng 2002, to this Chief Superintendent, Horatio, Sir, the Director of VGL, Maymar. Ang representative sa 79 ID, Lieutenant Colonel Alfonso, Sir, the floor of our DRCO, CRS, and the R6 of Pro Inaya. And coming from the local government unit, the representative coming from the city mayor, of course, the chairman of Peace and Order Council, Councilor Sima, thank you very much. Of course, by Councilor Barso, the councilor at the same time, the East Federation chairman, the representatives of the CCD are involved, the staff of Bacolod City, other regional staff present, the advisory group present, of course, by Bishop Michael Burdett, our bishop, who is not yet in heaven. Thank you very much for coming to our life. And of course, another Reverend Raymond Asoy, still not yet in heaven. Father, thank you for coming over to this later on this occasion. Of course, our friends from the media. Pakato natin ang friends from the media. For this occasion, ang rin natin, sir, ang media natin dito, sir, is very supportive sa police. Bacolod City Police. Not only the Bacolod City Police Office. Even sometimes they give us information, necessary information, not just to promote the accomplishment of Bacolod City, but to give us necessary caution if there's some question na need caution ng ating community sa mga stations natin. Salamat din sa friends natin sa media. Of course, sa advisory group natin, ma'am and sir sa advisory group natin, madam, salamat sa inyo. To the members ng barangay captains, pwede ba makatindog ng barangay captains at ang mga barangay tanyo sa chiefs ng barangay tanyo? Thank you very much, ma'am and sir, na kita-kita na rin makita for the last time I've been not able to visit your barangay yet. So, maraming salamat. And of course, the introduction from the Napolpong and the DILG family. Napolpong din, maraming salamat. The Bureau of Fire Protection, thank you very much. The BGMP, the Coast Guard, the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Of course, sir, nato yung force multiplier. Tinagtanan nato din ang force multiplier. To very honest, the original direction. Force multiplier nato. Maraming salamat. Of course, ato niya estudyante sa likod from the University of Negros of the Director dito sa biya sa exam nila, nag-present ng buong natin. Maraming salamat. Isa pa rin, sir, is ang mga managers ng modernized drive, transportation dari sa Bacolod because later on, sir, hindi rin natin i-post ang mga ma'am and sirs, pati doon tanan ng members ng modernized group natin. For the provision of Regional Director, they volunteer their 13 units for this caravan alone. Thank you very much, ma'am and sirs. I cannot recognize each one of you. And of course, ibang pangawalan ng mission for sa BCPO families. Nandito na maaari po the personal BCPO, the uniform personal BCPO. May ari pa rin taga West Negros College, yung mga student criminal justice sa West Negros College. Mga GO natin na rin, job orders, without them, we did not able to prepare this activity just for a very noble cause. Sa mga asherit natin na hindi kapal officers coming from the regional headquarters, mayong aga sa tanan-tanan. Today, we proudly launch Safe Through NIR 911 program designed to make emergency response faster, more accessible, and more responsive to the needs of our community. After all, during emergencies, people should not have to remember a dozen of hotline numbers. One number, 911, is enough. Ulitin ko, one number only, it's 911, is enough. Because when every second counts, Google searching for the right number is not part of the emergency plan. Again, I would like to highlight this word, that Google searching, looking for the number of police stations and the police personnel we know. rescue unit we know is not enough to serve it's not enough for an emergency plan. More importantly, state reflects the kind of service we aspire to provide. As is foreseen, dapat makikita ang banat na regional director. That's why most of the time makita na nato na ako kapulisan sa ato niya kalsada. Gaganda kang checkpoint, tanan-tanan. Then appreciated. Anybody gasulod sa ato mga stasyon, dapat i-assist kita ato ng kapulisan. Ano man ang inasok-sok niya, ano man ang gamit niya dapat mag-report sa Robin Hood, isa na doon pang itsura, dapat i-assist dahil just like what we did last time. And of course, Phil, dapat mabatyagan ang serbisyo sa atong kapulisan. Not only the kapulisan, all other agencies involved for this noble cause. And it is for extraordinary. Ang mga ginagawa natin sa kapulisan, some of the police officers are sacrificing their life just to protect the public safety, to protect sa atong community. Not only in Bacolod City, but to the entire country. Safe NIR 911 is more than hotline. It is a promise that helps us only one call away. Together, let us build a safer, stronger, and more secure Bacolod City and the Pro NIR. Maraming salamat and welcome to the launching of Safe NIR 911. Maraming aga sa tanang-tanang.
Thank you very much. Turn to the floor, Melissa. To provide us with a better understanding of the objectives and significance of the Safe NIR Dial 911 program, let us now watch the audiovisual presentation.
Sa oras na
Ang Safe NIR 911 ay ang 24/7 emergency hotline ng Philippine National Police para sa agarang tulong at responde.
Safe NIR, seen by the people, appreciated through genuine service, felt in every action and response. Extraordinary police service beyond expectations.
Thank you very much, sir. Please take your seat. Sir, you may now return to your seat. At this moment, let us hear messages from our distinguished guests as we celebrate the official launching of Safe NIR Dial 911. First, to give his message, please join me in welcoming a distinguished public servant whose career reflects a strong commitment to good governance, accountability, and the promotion of public safety. Please welcome, to give his message, is Attorney Owen De Luna, the Regional Director of Mapugong Negros Island Region. Sir.
Again, to your city director, Eugene, congratulations. Palakpakan po natin ang and the personnel officers, women and men of PCTO, the volunteers, the agencies, lahat po ng stakeholders and supporters ng PCTO. Again, magandang bago po sa isa. I also would like to acknowledge this program na nilo-launch natin ngayon na bagong-bago sa bagong dating ng ating bagong Regional Director of NIR, no other than, para po natin, Police Brigadier General Dito po natin makikita na sa kanyang parang pagdating ay gusto niya kagad safe kayo at safe tayo. And this is the reason why safe has been launched immediately and ASAP. Because it could be seen, it could be appreciated, it could be felt, and this is something extraordinary. Why? Because police function is not only a police responsibility. It is a reporting function of everybody. And through Safe Dial 911, all of us will be part of the solution of an incident that with or without any witness, a report to the incident will be accurate. Kaya po muli, suportahan po natin ang Safe NIR 911, Dial 911, sapagkat ito po ay nakikita. C, ito po ay dapat natin i-appreciate dahil tayo ang makikinabang. Dapat ito ay nararamdaman at dapat maramdaman ninyo sapagkat ito ay para sa lahat. And last but not the least, extraordinary because your law enforcer will act upon dial of 911. Muli po, mabuhay tayo lahat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Attorney De Luna, for inspiring words and steadfast support for initiatives that promote public service and community welfare. Our next speaker is a dedicated public servant for community safety, peace and order development as the chairman of Peace and Order Council. To deliver his message of support and solidarity for this meaningful undertaking, please join me in welcoming Honorable Sai Marie Pausi.
Good morning to our distinguished guests, our dedicated men and women of the PNP, led by City Police Colonel Eugene Rebalogna. To our regional director, Police Brigadier General Romano Cardino. Also here with us is the Regional Director of the BGNP, sir. The AFP, also here. The BGNP, the BFP, the Coast Guard, to our fellow public servants, especially to the Barangay Kapitan, Arasudera, and also ang palipad po, Iganya Economy, the attorney, the Regional Director ng NACONCOM, Regional Director, Attorney Owen De Luna, attorney. Kasi hindi yan ako ipagano'n mula karoon ha. So, also to our media friends, Ari Maduri, to our DILC family, Ari dito, to be led by Sir Christian Tagaynay. And syempre, important pa natin ang atong sa DRF, represented by Sir Earl. At syempre, kasi natukulod yung manita namin sa session namon, ang atong fellow councilor, Honorable Dana Bardo. It is great pride and gratitude that I join today for the official launching of the Safe NIR Dial 911, a program that redefines how we serve, protect, and care for every citizen in Negros and Siquijor Island. The name itself tells us everything this initiative stands for: seen, appreciated, felt, and extraordinary. These are not words, but the core values that we guide every action, every response, and every service we deliver. Seen means no one is left behind. Whether you live in the city center or the farthest barangay, the police force is present, aware, and ready to listen. You are not just a number, you are a community we are sworn to protect. Appreciated is our promise to our offices and our people. To our police personnel, we recognize your sacrifices, your long hours, and your courage. You leave your families to keep us safe, and we honor that. To our citizens, your trust and cooperation is the greatest strength of our peace and order effort, and we value every piece of it. That means safety is real. It is not just a policy or a report. It is a peace of mind to feel walking down the street, the assurance you have when you leave your homes, the confidence that when you call for help, have what come. This is exactly what Dial 911 is for. A direct, reliable lifeline that makes security tangible and accessible to all. Extraordinary is the standard we set for ourselves. We do not settle for good enough. We aim for service is fast, honest, and simply meaningful. Living out our shared vision, bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas. Serbisyong mabilis, sapat at nararamdaman. This program is a beautiful example of what we can achieve when government and police work hand in hand. The city government of Bacolod, through the City Council, stands firmly behind this initiative. We will continue to provide support, resources, and policies needed to make state NIR 911 effective, sustainable, and truly responsive to your needs. But let us remember, safety is a shared responsibility. This system works best when we work together. Police and public, officials and residents, all united in building a peaceful and progressive community. As we move forward with our caravan today, let us carry this message across every corner of Bacolod. We are building a city where everyone is safe, everyone is valued, and everyone is protected. Congratulations to the pro-NIR and Bacolod City Police Office for this meaningful milestone. May safe Dial 911 be a beacon or peace, security, and hope for all the Bacolodans and Negros Island. So thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, Councilor, for your timely message and continued support for initiatives that strengthen public safety and emergency preparedness. And now, it is a privilege to hear from the distinguished leader of the Philippine National Police in the Negros Island region. His leadership and commitment to law enforcement excellence have been instrumental in advancing peace, order, and public safety throughout the region. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm round of applause for Police Brigadier General Romano V. Cardenio, Acting Regional Director, Police Regional Office, Negros Island Region, for his service.
Okay, please be seated. First, I would like to greet our distinguished guest, nandito sa stage, Jail Chief Superintendent Brendan Fulgencio, sir, the RD of DJMP. Of course, the Regional Director of NAPOLCOM, Attorney Owen De Luna, sir. Honorable Said Marie E.C., the Sub-Councilor of Bacolod City. Bishop Michael A. Berdin, Life Coast President, Bacolod City Police Office. Mr. Emmanuel J. Loplo, the President, Bacolod City Police Force Multiplier. Actually, ang gulo ng listahan binigay ko sa akin, no? Hindi ko mabasa. So, I'm sorry, hindi ko na maisa-isa ito dahil nakukonfuse ako kung sino yung nandito, sino yung absent, sino yung present. Pero generally, para po itong lahat ng nasa stage, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Of course, yung ating mga barangay captain kanina na-recognize na, magandang umaga din po sa inyo. Sa ating mga stakeholders, sa ating members ng BFP, CJMP, ng Army, ng Coast Guard, and other students na nandito. So of course, to our city director ng Bacolod, si Colonel Badonia. Palapakan ko lang siya. So, sa lahat ng pulis na nandito, ng members ng Bacolod City, palapakan din po natin sila. And of course, members ng ating mga kaibigan dito sa media, palapakan din po natin sila. So maraming salamat po sa pagdalo ninyo dito sa ating launching ng Safe NIR 911. Ito yung isa aming polisiya na nakita namin na magiging effective para makatulong sa ating komunidad paano masolve ang krimen dito sa area ng Bacolod. Bago po basahin ang aking mensahe, I would like to introduce also myself dahil ako po ay bagong regional director lang dito. So, I think first time ko na-meet yung ibang dito, mga stakeholders natin. So, ako po si Police Brigadier General Romano Carpino. Graduate po ako ng Philippine National Police Academy. I'm class of 1997. And I was born in Bulacan. So, Tagalog na Tagalog po talaga ako. And this is my first time na na-assign dito sa PRO-NIR, especially sa Bacolod, Negros Island region. So my first assignment was in PRO-5, or ito yung Bicol region. So pag-graduate po namin ng academy, na-assign ako agad sa PRO-5 sa Bicol region. After that, na-assign po ulit ako sa NCRPO, specifically sa Western Police District, and then sa Eastern Police District. Then after that, na-assign naman po ako sa Criminal Investigation and Detection Group sa Camp Crame as Chief Counterintelligence Section ng CIDG NXQ. Then after that, na-transfer naman po ako sa CIDG Calabarzon. Ito yung sa Cavite, Laguna, Rizal, Batangas at Quezon. Then after that, na-assign din po ako ng Cebu, CIDG Cebu. Kaya nakasabot man ako ng Bisaya, pero gamay lang po. Gamay lang. Then after that, sa CIDG Cebu, na-assign naman po ako sa Cavite as Chief of Police ng Bacoor City sa Cavite. Then, naging intelligence officer po ako ng Cavite for I think 3 years or 4 years with my former boss, mga provincial director doon. Ako ang ginawa nilang intelligence officer. Then after that, I was assigned again in Camp Crame. Then, from Camp Crame, naging provincial director po ako ng Zambales sa Region 3. Then from Region 3, assigned ulit po ng Camp Crame. Then naging regional intelligence officer naman po ako ng NCRPO. So from NCRPO, na-assign naman po ulit ako ng PRO-4B o yung tinatawag natin Mimaropa, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Palawan. Yan, Mimaropa. Then after Mimaropa, na-assign naman po ako ng PRO-9. Ang PRO-9 naman ay ang Zamboanga Peninsula. So, after PRO-9, nabalik na naman ako ng Camp Crame. So, basically, ako po ay na-assign na sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So, sa PNP kasi, very crucial yung aming geographical assignment. So, pinapang po yan para sa aming promotion, especially pag ikaw ay mapopromote ng general. So, tinatanong yan ng aming promotion board sa Camp Crame kung nasa ka na ba ng Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. So basically, I hope those experiences will help me in sharing these experiences dito sa Negros Island region to curb the crime incident at mapababa natin ang mga insidente ng krimen dito sa Negros Island region. So today, We are bringing the government service closer to the people and making public safety more accessible to every community.